Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review the Senville Mini Split. Senville offers a premium range of mini split air conditioners, also known as ductless AC units, designed to provide both efficient cooling and heating. These systems are ideal for spaces where traditional ductwork is not practical, such as apartments, offices, or rooms with limited ventilation. They come in various sizes and capacities, allowing you to choose the perfect unit for small bedrooms, large living areas, or commercial environments. Senville Mini Splits are engineered for energy efficiency, quiet operation, and easy installation, making them a convenient and versatile solution for year-round climate control. One popular model is the Senville SE NL24CD, a 24,000 BTU mini split air conditioner and heat pump. It provides a powerful yet affordable solution for cooling and heating your space. Many customers praise this model for its quiet operation, fast cooling, and effective heating. Users also highlight the energy efficiency, noting that it helps reduce electricity costs compared to traditional systems. Some reviewers appreciate the easy installation, especially when paired with professional support, though a few mentioned that installing it without experience can be challenging. Overall, Senville Mini Splits combine efficiency, flexibility, and affordability, making them a strong choice for anyone looking for effective climate control in homes or businesses. Customer feedback indicates that most buyers are satisfied with the performance, reliability, and convenience of these systems, making Senville a trusted option for both residential and commercial use. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.